Hi everybody, we're going to continue solving inequalities, but this time we have an extra step, which is distribution. So we're going to distribute this 8 by multiplying by -6 and -3r. Okay, so let's make our box. Eight times -6. That's one multiplication, and then 8 times -3r. So when we multiply those together, we get -48 minus 24r is still greater than 144. Okay. So let me bring that down one more. So -48 minus 24r is greater than 144. Okay, now this should look familiar. This is like what we've been doing, two-step inequality. So let's get rid of the 48. So we were subtracting it, so now we're going to add plus 48 on both sides. This becomes 192. And these cancel, so we got -24r is greater than 192. Let's see, what is that? I know 24 times 2 is 48, and 48 times 2 is 96. 96 times 2 is 192. So we're gonna have to divide. Sorry, that was what I was doing in my head. Dividing by -24, dividing by -24. So yes, this is going to be 8. So sorry, -8. So 192 divided by -24 is -8. And this is an r. Okay, now do we change the sign? We divided by a negative. So yes, we do. So we have r is less than -8. Okay, let's try this again. Same sort of thing. 8 times -4m minus 7 is less than 136. Alright, another distribution. So 8 times -4m is let's do 8 times -4m. We have 8 times -7. Okay, what is that? 8 times -4m is -32m. 8 times -7 is -56. This is less than 136. Okay. What's our inverse operation? Gonna add 56. Gonna add 56. So what do we have? -32m. Remember, the sign doesn't change because all we did was add. And what is this? 136 plus 56 is 186 plus 6 is 192. Okay. It's 190, so we're going to have to divide by -32. Divided by -32. Okay, 64. 32 times 2 is 64. 64 times 2 is 128. blah. I am actually going to use a calculator for this. So 192 divided by 32 is 6. Okay, so this is going to be 192 divided by negative 32 is negative 6. We have m, and we have to change the sign because we divided by a negative. So m is greater than negative 6. Alright, this is also going to be pretty similar, but one more step. You're about to see it. So we have 8 times negative 3p plus 1 plus 3 is less than negative 149. Now, let's multiply these out. Make our box. One has 8 times negative 3p. This one has 8 times 1. Okay, what's 8 times negative 3p? That's negative 24p. And 8 times 1 is 8, so plus 8 plus 3 is less than negative 149. Okay. Now, we can even combine these together. Okay, so I'm actually going to combine these like terms here. So 8 and 3 are like terms. So we're going to have negative 24p plus 11 is less than negative 149. Okay, now let's get rid of the 11. Negative 11 minus 11 and minus 11. So we have negative 160. We have negative 24p is less than negative 160. And the next step is going to be to divide by negative 24. Divide by negative 24. Let's see, what's 160 divided by 24? Okay, that is p. 160 divided by negative 24 is 6.667. So, here we go. 6.667. Now, did we divide or multiply by a negative? We did, right? Negative 24. So the sign changes, and we have p greater than 6.667. Alright, that's it. Good luck to you. Thanks for hanging out.